distribution. The joint probability distribution can be expressed either in terms of joint cumulative distribution function or in terms of joint probability distributive functions in the case of continuous variable or joint probability mass function. In the case of distributive variables, these in turn can be used to find two other types of distributions: the marginal distribution giving the probabilities for any one of the variables with no reference to any specific ranges of values for the other variables, and the conditional probability distribution giving the probabilities for any subset of the variables conditional on particular values of the remaining variables. Many of the observations are shown from a joint probability distribution. The margins densities as shown that are defined on a probability. The joint probability distribution is a probability distribution that gives the probability that each of falls in any particular range or discrete set of values specified for the variable. In the case of only two random variables, this is called bivariate distribution, but the concept generalizes to any number of random variables giving a multivariate distribution. These probabilities are the joint distribution. In any one of the cell, probability of a particular combination occurring is, since the draws are independent, the product of the probability of the specified result for A and the probability for the specified result for B. The probabilities in this case 4 cells sum to 1, as it is always true for probability distributions. Moreover, the final row and the final column give the probability distribution for A and the marginal probability distribution for B respectively. For example, A for the first of these cells gives the sum of the probabilities for A being red, regardless which possibilities for B in the column above the cells occurs 2 by 3. Thus the marginal probability distributions. Consider the flip of two fair coins. Let and the discrete random variables associated with the outcomes of the first and second coin flips respectively. Each coin flip is Bernoulli trial and has a Bernoulli distribution. If a coin displays heads, then the associated random variable takes value 1 and that takes the value 0 otherwise. The probability of each of these outcomes 1 by 2. So marginal unconditional distributive functions are the joint probability mass functions of and defines probability of each pair of outcomes or possible outcomes. Since each outcomes is equally like the joint probability mass function becomes since the coin flips are independent, the joint probability mass function is the product of the marginals. Consider the roll of fair die and let if the number is even and otherwise furthermore let if the number is prime and otherwise, then the joint distribution and expressed as probability mass function is these probability necessary sum to 1. Since the probability of some combinations of occurring is 1, consider probability facilities that fills plastic bottles with laundry detergent. Weight of each bottle and the volume of laundry detergent it contains X are measured. If more than one random variables is defined in a random experiment, it is important to distinguish between the joint probability distribution of X and Y or the probability distribution of each variable individually. The individual probability distribution of a random variable is referred to as its marginal probability distribution. In the general, marginal distribution of X can be determined from the joint probability distribution of X and random variables if the joint probability distribution function of random variable X and Y is the marginal probability distributive function of X and Y, which defines the given is by whether first integral is overall points in the range of X comma Y for which X is equal to X. The second integral is all over points the range X Y for which Y by the joint cumulative distribution for a pair of random variables. The joint cumulative distribution function CDF is given by that random variables take on a value less than or equal. Thank you.